Today I'll be showing you how to set up a blog page using WPVibe and SeedProd, and we'll be using our AI client here, which is Claude.ai. So I'll just proceed to tell Claude to set up a blog page on our Tour Safaris company here, where we just have the homepage and nothing much set up. So we'll just proceed to tell Claude to set up a blog page for us. Hi Claude, I'd like us to set up a blog page for our website. So we'll just let it run as it goes through our site, uses WPVibe to set things up, and we'll come back once we have the blog page set up. So it's completed the process, so we'll just open up the blog page and we'll just go ahead and save this page. Everything looks good. Once we have that, we'll just go to the blog page to verify that everything looks good. And as you can see, we only have one blog article, but the blog page looks good. So I'll just tell it to write an article about one of our offerings. Hi Claude, could you just write a blog post on one of our tours, which is to Amboseli in Kenya? I'd like this blog post to feature things to do in Amboseli and get people excited. So we'll just let it run, draft a blog post for us, which we can use as a basis for marketing one of our destinations. So we'll just let it run and we'll come back once it's done. Right, so the process is complete and we can see that we have our blog post set up. So I'll just open it and we can notice that there's a missing template here, which we can just tell Claude to fix. I'd like us to create a template for showing blog posts on SeedProd. Currently, it's showing no template found error on the page. So we'll just let it run and it will address it and we'll come back once it's fully set up the blog post template. So this process is complete. We'll just open the template that was created and this looks good. And yeah, that's it. That's how to set up a blog page on your site. Thank you.